Jubilee Party Secretary General Raphael Tuju may be in trouble once again with the Deputy President's allies over reports that he may be in ODM leader Raila Odinga's inner circle. Tuju's rousing reception in Rarieda and in the company of key Odinga men has put him in the sights of the DP and his allies.
The DP in a tweet chided him over his new role, even as Tuju said he will not be dragged into an argument with his boss. And as NTV's Kennedy Muredi reports, a plan to remove him from his position in the party is already in motion.
Jubilee Party Secretary General Raphael Tuju remains a marked man within the ruling party as his dalliance with opposition leader Raila Odinga and his key men now comes into focus. On Friday, Tuju, who was in the company of key men within ODM leader Raila Odinga's circle, received a riveting welcome at his home in Rarieda, a constituency he represented for one term between 2002 and 2007.
Tuju is a very critical player in the governance of this country.
The former Rarieda MP has often been referred to as a rebel insofar as Nyanza politics go. The rousing welcome in an area that once shunned him now indicates a change in his fortunes. But while he may have earned new admirers, he may now be in the crosshairs of Deputy President and his men. In a thinly veiled sarcastic tweet, the Deputy President took issue with the Jubilee Party Secretary General's dalliance with the opposition and his apparent new role in the former Prime Minister's inner circle. Some of the DP's close allies have intimated to NTV that a plan to unseat Tuju from his position as the ruling party Secretary General could be in the works, as they believe he is now using the position to get back into Odinga's good books to secure his place ahead of a possible 2022 run.
We know how desperate he is to be rubber stamped to be the next year governor.
Huyo ni Trojan horse ya ODM katika Jubilee. Anamshikilia Raila hapo ndani ya Jubilee.
Tutaketi tuandikie National Executive Council, he has contravened the Jubilee Party manifesto, he must fail full disciplinary action by the party's constitution, atolewe.
There have been reports that he has been scouting for projects in the region that can benefit from government funding, given the newfound relationship between Odinga and President Uhuru Kenyatta. Asked about his new role and if it is indeed sanctioned, and the tweet from the DP, Tuju said, "Please do put on record that I refuse to be drawn into a public argument with the Deputy President or engage him through the media because he is my boss in the party. That is my position, just as it is also my position that I am committed to supporting the President Uhuru Kenyatta's efforts to unite the country through bold steps like the BBI, the handshake, the fight against corruption and the Big Four agenda." Tuju was still recently the subject of discussion within the DP's allies circles when a leaked audio alleged to be of him and former MP George Nyanja exchanging anti-Ruto sentiments stirred demands for his ouster for fueling division within the ruling party. A section of the DP's allies have planned a series of meetings to pick up the conversation in the hope of ousting him and replacing him with a friendlier person. Kennedy Muredi, NTV.